All right, so I have my engine approved from LKQ. I'm gonna take this intake cam. I think this bigger profile than the original one. So I'm gonna remove this cam from here. I'm gonna throw in the original cam. I already have it sitting over there. I put the old guys in here. I'm gonna keep the new ones. Um, yeah, then I'm gonna close it back up, send it back to them, get the replacement engine. Hopefully by this weekend we could get it fixed up and get it back into the car. Shit, yeah. All right, and there it is, all closed up, ready to ship out back to LKQ. Yeah, let's get it. LKQ stamps here, stamp here, stamp here. Sweet, she's ready to go. Let's go pick up our replacement block. Shit, yeah, and we got our engine. There it is, they warranted it out. Heck yeah, let's get this bad boy in. Sweet, and here's the engine. Where's all this oil coming from? Don't know. We're gonna have to probably do this timing chain valve cover. The timing chain cover. And the oil pan as well. Hopefully nothing major over here. We shall see. Good luck. Sweet, and there it is. Pretty soon you'll be back inside, baby girl, and alive. Cannot wait. We'll get started on it tomorrow. Today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. We'll have all day. Yeah. All right, today it is now Monday. I was not able to work on the engine over the weekend. My son actually lost his dog. That died, and so I just wanted to spend time with him. Got him a new puppy. It ain't gonna replace Tiger, but here we are on Monday. I'm on my lunch break right now. I figured I'd get this engine on the stand, maybe take off the accessories, and get this project going. Get it slapped onto the transmission and mounted into the car pretty soon. Sweet, we got a lot of work ahead of us. All right, so this looks like it is probably OEM, made in Korea. So hopefully this is just not beating on. It's gonna get some beating for sure. All right, and there it is, pretty much naked already. My lunch break is over. I still have to remove this. I'm gonna remove this. Yeah, I'm gonna replace the gasket on the oil pan as well. Replace the oil pan with that red one that I already have sprayed. So I need to order some gaskets. Oh, we need to do the shaping down on the stamp here, and we need to tap in. Yeah, we got to tap that out for the cooling bypass. So we get this engine ready for the supercharger, because it's coming. Sweet. Well, I think we're gonna end it up here. Still have a lot more to do, but like I said, this will be it for now. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.